Got a Google Play gift card from a different country and it's not working? Don't worry, there's a trick to make it work no matter where you are. In this quick video, I'll show you how to redeem a gift card from another region using a simple method. Let's dive right in and get that card working for you. First, launch the Play Store app on your phone. Log into your Google account. Tap your profile icon on the top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap Redeem Code. But before redeeming, you need to download a VPN app from the Play Store. Connect your VPN to the country where the gift card was issued. Now, create a new Google account while still connected to the VPN. Switch to this new account in the Play Store and go back to Redeem Code. Enter your code and tap Redeem. You're all set. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.